Moving across from the buttons, down on the right we've got the steering wheel. So everything is linked to these two cameras up here and the radar system on the back. That is the Subaru EyeSight system, which is there to assist you as a driver assist system to make you as safe as possible. That ties in with many of those systems that we've said there, and also your cruise control. So your button here is the cruise control. You press cruise on, you then set by pulling that little toggle down. You're then in cruise control. You can then accelerate by moving that button up, or decelerate by pushing it down. Now while you're in cruise control, you have these two buttons. That is the adaptive cruise control. You can set how far away from the car in front you wish to be, and the car will not close that gap. So if you're doing 60 miles an hour and the car in front is doing 50, once you've caught up to the distance that you've set, the car will hold position. As soon as you indicate to overtake, the car will speed back up to the speed that you've set, or vice versa. If you've got a nice gap and you're going along quite happily and someone pulls in front of you, the car will drop off to let that gap grow again, until you've reached the right distance. Beside that is your lane departure warning. That basically, if you've got that on, if you're starting to go to sleep and drift off the lane a little bit, it's going to let you know. It's going to give you a series of beeps and try and keep you on the straight and narrow. Behind that, you've got your windscreen wipers, which you've got an auto setting. So you've got down one to your auto setting, and if you put it on auto, it's intermittent. When you put it on auto, it will whack the windscreen wipers when it's raining. You've then got down again for normal speed, down again for double speed, and your rear wiper is on the outside of that. Coming across to the other side of the wheel, we've got the volume for your stereo, we've got your mobile phone and your button for your Apple CarPlay or Android player, and then your search backwards and forwards for your radio. In behind that you have your light, so indicators up and down, full beam in front of you, flash towards you. Again, you've got auto lights, side lights, dip lights, and your fog lights are in behind there. So that's all you need for that side.